A flange anchor screw secures the toilet flange to the subfloor to stop the toilet from shifting and to protect the seal between the toilet and the drain. A flange anchor screw fastens the flange so the toilet stays aligned and the wax or rubber seal remains compressed evenly. Use a pilot hole drilled slightly smaller than the screw shank to avoid splitting plywood or drywall subfloor and to ensure the screw bites cleanly. Choose a rust-resistant screw made of stainless steel or coated material and long enough to pass through the flange and seating into the subfloor by at least 3/4 of an inch without bottoming out. Place screws at the existing flange slots or on the flange ears, and if the flange sits above the floor, use a spacer or flange extender so the screw angle stays straight and the toilet sits level. Tighten screws snug, but not over-tighten to avoid deforming the flange or pulling the flange out of alignment, which can cause leaks. Before setting the wax ring, double-check that screws are flush or slightly recessed so the toilet base can sit flat and that they line up with the toilet bolt slots. Common mistakes include driving screws without pilot holes, which splits or cracks the subfloor and loosens over time, so always predrill to the recommended depth and diameter. Another error is using short or non-rust resistant screws which fail in wet conditions and allow movement. So pick stainless steel screws at least 1 inch long or size to embed securely in the subfloor. A third issue is over-tightening, which deforms the flange and lifts the seal, so tighten progressively and stop when the flange is firm and cannot rotate. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for tasks like securing toilet flanges. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community, where homeowners and professionals exchange practical installation tips.